Went to the fabric store yesterday, spent millions of dollars on beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. Welcome back to the channel of Dramatics. Hello, welcome back to So Alexa. I am so happy you're here. In today's video, I am doing a little fabric haul. It is the springtime. It's starting to feel a little bit nice outside. I live in Chicago, and one of my favorite fabric stores to visit is Textile Discount Outlet. They literally have everything that you could ever dream of in a fabric. And what's so great about this store, it's like an old warehouse, and it has 13 rooms of fabric. Fabric, notions, you name it. And it's actually always a chaotic experience when I leave. And when I say that, I mean I have anxiety while I walk in the door, and I have anxiety while I leave the building. And it's not a bad anxiety, it's a great anxiety. It's like, yes, I feel overwhelmed with so much fabric around me, on top of making decisions about all of these fabrics. Everybody can't come home with me. And then leaving, feeling the anxiety of like that really good creative anxiety of like, oh my gosh, I get to go home and create. So I went crazy and got different colors and some staple colors, but let me tell you what I'll be making. So I got the same fabric, but in different colors. So I got a Lycra fabric, which is extremely flexible. It's a 4-way stretch. It's a polyester Lycra. I really enjoy wearing this fabric. It's very stretchy. It just makes me feel good. I don't know what to say. It comes in so many different colors, and I just love her. I want all my fitted tops out of Lycra. Textile Discount Outlet has a plethora of Lycra fabric, and I just want to take each of them home with me, but I can't do that. So I have a vision. I need to make some tops. You ever go through that phase where you have enough bottoms, but you don't have enough tops? I'm in that phase, specifically like spring color type of tops. I feel like I just got black. I have a whole bunch of sweaters from the fall, but I don't have like spring tops. So I need to make some. I've already done the tutorials for these tops that I'll be making now. One is the long sleeve top. I need that one in white because I looked up and realized I don't have any long sleeve white tops. What am I doing out here? The long sleeve white top. I also have a sewing tutorial for the boat neck top I'll be making, as well as a V-neck top. So just some summer tops to be making. The boat neck and the V-neck tops are both lined. And with each top, I got an extra yard of fabric so I can have a matching head wrap. And yeah, I'm so excited. So let's get into the fabric. So I have this orange Lycra. I feel like this is perfect for spring, going into summer. I think it's just a really bold color. I don't have enough orange in my life. I mean, like, I say that while I sit in this orange chair, but I can't wear this outside. So I'll be making this orange Lycra fabric. I'll be making this one, I think, in the V-neck top. And I'll have a matching orange head wrap. So stay tuned for that. And then I got this cranberry color. I love this color. This was the color of the prom dress that my mom made for me in high school. I love this color. I'm obsessed with it. She's so pretty. It's like a cranberry color. I wish I had like some hex numbers, or like the hex code. I wish I had the hex code for these numbers. That's what I wish like fabric stores had. I need so much information. I need the name of this fabric, the fiber contents. I need the hex code number. I just need way more. But I'm thinking about making the boat neck top in this with the matching headpiece. I think I like that vibe. And then this isn't Lycra. I actually have no idea what this is. I walked past it and I saw the color, and I love a good periwinkle. I saw the color and obsessed over it immediately, needed it instantly, and got her. I got it. I don't even know what this is. It feels like Lycra. It really does feel like Lycra. It's Lycra's cousin. I don't know. It's actually I think it might be like a little bit more, it's a little bit more stiffer than Lycra. Honestly, I got everything, most things in 3 yards. So it's 2 yards for whatever top I'm making, and then a yard for the head wrap. Baby, I love this color so much. I should have got more yards. I should have got more yards, but I love this color. This color is so pretty. I'm obsessed with this color. So I don't know, I'm still indifferent if I want to make this one into a boat neck top or a V-neck top. I'm still indifferent, but look how pretty this color is. She's a baddie. Okay, so 3 yards of the orange, 3 yards of the cranberry, 3 yards of that gorgeous periwinkle. And then I got this blue. I don't have enough blue. I think over the last few years I've gotten into blue. I was never really like traditionally a blue girly, but I got this blue. She's so pretty. Is this royal? Is this cobalt? I don't know what blue this is, but this is Lycra. And I'm excited to make a top with her. I'm thinking a V-neck. I have no idea actually. The jury's still out on this. I got 3 yards of this, so whatever top I decide to make, I can make a matching head wrap. But the jury's still out. The jury's still out. I'm not sure. But she's so pretty and I can't wait to make her. Okay, so I looked up one day and realized I had no white tops and I needed a couple of black tops. So for that V-neck top, I will be making a black one, a white one. For the boat neck, a black one and a white one. So Textile Discount Outlet is in Pilsen, Chicago, and it's only open, I think, for like sewists. I need it to be open every single day, all day, and it's not. And that's just what I have to live with. But it's not open on Saturdays. They're open Sundays, and I think that's just like that busy rush time where it's like I need to get in the fabric store because the next time I'll be able to go is during the week. For me, it doesn't work out that way. So I go on Sundays. Traditionally, I will go as soon as they open because I want to be the first one touching the fabric. I don't want nobody to grab my fabric. I don't want nobody to get as many yards as I need. I want to be the first one to get what I need. But this time around, I went later than I've ever went. So I was so thankful and so lucky to find this Lycra in black. Whenever I go there to get Lycra in black, I finish the roll. The roll is already like, there's already a little bit on there. And I'm like, I feel like I always say, hey, I need 3 yards. And they're always like, we'll see if this is it. This time, baby, this was a nice, good, healthy, thick roll of black Lycra, and my life is made. I think I probably got a yard too many, but that's okay. I'll always forever need black Lycra. So with this black Lycra, I'll be making the V-neck top, I'll be making a boat neck top, and I'll also have a head wrap. And I think I have too much, but this is 7 yards, babe. 7 yards of black Lycra fabric that I will be using. So I was actually looking for an off-white Lycra, and they didn't have off-white. But at the last minute, while we were standing in line, I saw this roll under like 10, 20 different rolls of fabric, and I couldn't pull it out myself. Someone had to pull it out for me. But this one looked healthy too. It looked like I can get some good yardage. And I did. I ended up getting 7 yards of this white Lycra. Traditionally for me, this is a little bit too white. I like a off-white, but this is gonna work. They didn't have the off-white, but this is gonna work. From this white Lycra, I'll make a long sleeve top, I'll make a boat neck top, and I will make a V-neck top and a head wrap to match. So yeah, I'm so excited about my buys. This was a good shopping experience. I was really looking for some green, and they didn't have like the Kelly green I was looking for, but it's okay. Until next time, like I said, I already spent millions of dollars in this store, so I can spend my time making these for the spring, and then by the time the summer hits, I'll go back there, probably find another like blue that I like, probably find like a pink that calls my name. Ooh, like a nice little royal purple, red, green. Did I say green? Yeah. So yes, I left a very happy girl. On top of the fabric I got some Gutterman thread. I love Gutterman. Gutterman is my favorite thread because I just feel like it so smoothly. I grew up a Coats and Clarks girly, but once I started using Gutterman, I couldn't go back. And shout out to With Wendy. If you don't follow With Wendy, you have to follow her right now because she's an amazing sewist. And I watched one of her videos and she talked about Gutterman thread, and I tried it and I haven't been back to Coats since. No shade to Coats. Love you, Coats. Love you forever. But Gutterman, is that girl. Okay, so I got my notions. How many? 547 yards of whites, 547 yards of black. And then there was a lot going on when I was grabbing my thread. So I don't think I'm as accurate as I usually am when it comes to thread and colors, but we're gonna make it do what it do. It's 110 yards each of these little small threads. And I usually run out, so I grab 2 in each color. Got the orange, got the cranberry, and got this blue. I don't know, what is this, cobalt? I don't know. I need hex codes, I need names. I can't just be out here guessing colors. I had a great time at the fabric store. In the comments, I want you guys to comment what city you're from and what fabric stores are local in your area that you frequent, that you absolutely obsess over. I love Textile Discount Outlet. They will always get all of my dollars. And it's in Chicago. So if you are from Chicago, if you've never been there, please go there. It's an experience to live. If you are coming to Chicago, visit Textile. It's so much fun to just be in the midst of other people who are creating. Every time I go there, I feel like I meet someone who is working on a project of some sort, or like they're sewing for the first time and they're like doing something in the kitchen. And I just think that's so fun because I'm like, wow. I mean, I guess we don't have Joann's anymore, but picking this type of environment to find fabric is just very brave of you because it's a lot going on at once. Or there was this guy yesterday, he was getting this really cool print. It just was like a little bit of cheetahs with some pink mixed in it. It was very unique. And he was saying he was making some pants, and I could see that for him. And I like being a part of everyone's experience when I'm feeling in the mood. And yesterday I was in a good mood. It was really nice out. I have this fantastical dream to travel to every single fabric store in the world, not the US. The world. I want to go everywhere they sell fabric and I want to touch it. Anyway, if you got to the end of this video, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and drop down in the comments the city you're from, city, state, country you're from that has the best fabric stores, something you frequent. What I love about Textile is that it's just like literal madness. Like, I feel anxious when I'm in there. I leave sweating, but I feel very, very happy and fulfilled and excited to begin my creative journey. So share that in the comments. Share what the vibe is in your city, what fabric store we should frequent, what we should check out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.